In this video, we will show you the new update from Microsoft and Windows. In the old method, when we need to install application, especially on Microsoft Store, we need to open on Microsoft Store application. Now, Microsoft has been simplified the process. When we need to install application on Microsoft Store, now we can just download the application and go to the installation process. In here, let me show you when we open application on Microsoft Store. For example, if we try to install, I will try to find Snapchat, for example. Okay, when you click this button, the old method will open the window to open Microsoft Store. Now, Microsoft has been released for undocker version of downloading process. When you click download in here, it just directly open the .x files, okay, or download the .x files. Then you can just click open file, and the Microsoft Store has been look like this, okay, and you can just click install. You don't need to install via Microsoft Store application, okay, and this is not Microsoft Store in the full version like you open for this. Okay, you can see there. Okay, we will try to install Snapchat. Now you done installing Snapchat, very easy, and not via Microsoft Store application. Okay, we can click allow, and that's all. The new update from Microsoft and Windows. Now Microsoft has been released for some application. You can download the .x, and the .x will download automatically the file to install the application, rather than open for Microsoft Store and then you need to download via them. Hope this video helpful for you.